Okay, Ace here. We're gonna start with a gold nail polish named Fandom from the brand Chic that I got from Watson's for 38 pesos only. It's just a regular nail polish, but the color is great because it looks really classy, and this color lifts up my look every time I wear it. Adding the first layer of nail polish. I'm only applying one layer of this gold nail polish because it will only serve as my base color for this nail art. I'm gonna use this pattern from the plate that I bought in Watson's. The brand is OMG. For stamping polish, I'm gonna use a black nail polish by Bobbie. This scraper is from Shopee. It's dirty because I've been using it for more than 2 years. When I bought this stamper, it came with that scraper. This stamper is so soft and squishy. That's why I really love it. And I'll be using some acetone to correct some mistakes. So let's start. I'm gonna paint, scrape, and stamp. Oh snap, it didn't pick up anything. We have to clean the plate and the stamper immediately because it won't work well if they're both dirty. And we're also gonna clean the scraper. And again, for the second time, paint, scrape, and stamp. It failed again. It didn't work. Oh my gosh. What's happening? I'm shaking it because I think the polish would perform better if I do this. Let's see if it's effective. Well, as you can see, it's not. Oh my gosh, this is so frustrating. Maybe the problem is not with me. Joke. Maybe the problem is in one of the tools. Oh, this one looks okay. It's not so detailed and perfect, but this one is better. And doing it again. I was hoping it would also be a success because the previous one is okay. If this would fail, okay, that's it. I'm gonna switch to acrylic paint. The polish isn't working because it's about to dry. So right now, I'll be switching to acrylic paint. It picked up plenty of color, but I think I added a lot of water. This time, I'll lessen the water. What? Maybe I shouldn't dip my brush in water. Let's try again. I hope this works. Whew. Second successful stamp. I'm just gonna remove the excess and stamp it on my nail. Yay! There you go. I love it. See, it's more detailed than the nail polish. To clean the plate, dip the brush in water and push the acrylics off the plate. Then wipe it. Half of it is messy. I think my paint is too wet. gonna do it again. This time I'm not gonna dip my brush in water. Yay! The key is not to dip your brush in water. Remove the excess, then stamp. Ta-da! So pretty! Before I continue, I'll just fill the missing details and remove some mess, or smudges. After that, I'm gonna clean the mess on my stamper that I used as a tiny stool to put my finger on. Also, clean the plate. Remember, just dip your brush in water and push the acrylic off of it. When you see that there is no acrylic paint stuck in the pattern, you can wipe it off. I'm gonna stamp again. This time I kept in mind that I shouldn't dip my brush in water because it'll make the acrylic so flowy that when I roll the stamper, the acrylic gets squished. This turned out successful because I didn't make it too watery. See, this one is so detailed and there are no smudges. I'm just removing the excess and stamping it on my nail. I love this clear jelly stamper because you can see through it and you can see if your work is aligned properly. Oh, I missed the spot. I'll just use the excess to fill it up. Oh my gosh, I hope it will look great on it. Oh well, it looks pretty decent. Clean up again. This is the tiring part about stamping. You have to clean every now and then. And then wipe it off. We'll be stamping again. Yay! I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of it. That's why I got 3 successful stamps in one row, although I got 9 failed attempts. Yay! I think we're done. Clean up again. Using acrylic paint on stamping makes your life easier. If I'm using nail polish, I would be rubbing a bit harshly, but with acrylic paints, I'm just using water to push it off. Finished stamping all my nails, but I'm not yet done because I've had a great idea of stamping again on my pointy finger, which is the first nail that I stamped on. I used nail polish on that. I wanted it to look detailed like the acrylic stamps on other nails. This one is a semi-success because it picked up the details, but it also picked up the smudges and made it look really messy. So now I'm doing my best to clean it up. I'm trying to align them perfectly, so excuse my hand for blocking the camera. Oh my gosh, I think I messed it up. It looks really weird, but I'll clean it off cam because I'm just filming using my phone and I ran out of storage. What you're watching right now is the part where I'm cleaning the sides of my fingers. I tried to remove the excess on my pointy finger, but some of it is hard to remove because I remember I used nail polish on that. Bear with me if I'm trying to scrape it using my nails because I'm too lazy to search for a cotton and I'm running out of acetone. I'm almost done, but there are little lines left. I'm contemplating if I should remove it or not because you won't really see the mess unless you're looking so close at it. for my final thoughts, I didn't expect it would turn out like this. It looks really classy and elegant because gold and black are both classic colors. I would also like to tell everyone to never give up and just look around your house, maximize your resources. It may just sit around your house, but it can also help you make a masterpiece. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.